In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make header transparent in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and go to the site where you want to make this change. Once the editor is open, look at the top section of your page and click directly on the header so it is selected. This is important because Wix needs to know which part of the site you want to edit before it shows the design options for that section. After the header is selected, find the design icon, which looks like a paintbrush, and click on it. This will open the design settings for your header. Depending on the version of the editor or the style of the header you are using, you may see an option called Custom Design, or you may see Color and Opacity. Click on that option to continue. Both paths lead you to the same place, which is where you can control how the header looks. Next, click the color box. This opens the color controls for the header background. What you want to focus on here is the opacity setting. Opacity controls how visible the background color is. If the opacity is high, the header will look solid. If the opacity is low, it becomes more see-through. To make the header fully transparent, move the opacity slider all the way down to 0%. Once you do that, the header background should disappear, allowing the content or image behind it to show through. If you want the transparent effect to stay in place while visitors scroll through the page, click into the header settings and check whether the header is set to sticky or fixed. This part is helpful if your header remains visible as users move down the page. Setting it this way can keep the look consistent while scrolling, especially on sites with large banner images or clean modern layouts. Before you finish, take a moment to preview the page and make sure the transparent header still looks clear and readable. In some cases, text or menu items may be harder to see depending on the background behind them, so it is a good idea to double-check the overall appearance. When everything looks the way you want, go ahead and publish your site so the change becomes live. That covers everything you need to know.